today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, you read the title right. Bitcoin will break within 12 to 16 hours. Now everyone is of course asking, in what direction are we going to break? Is Bitcoin going to break down? Reach price targets everyone besides me was believing in 12,000, 14,000 US dollars for Bitcoin. Or is Bitcoin going to break towards the upside and reach price targets? I am going to talk about that. I will talk about everything, my trades, my expectations, am I going to get wrecked or not, and more. Let's talk about it. Smash up the like button to a new all-time high. Dear ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for always watching the videos, for liking, for commenting, making noise for the algorithm. Because of you, we are, as far as I checked, the most watched Bitcoin video channel on whole YouTube. Thank you so much for that. And now let's go straight into the content. Let's talk about Bitcoin, especially here also about what's going on. I mean, before I start here in the charts, I wanted to talk about my trades, right? People are asking me, are they still open? Yes, I might close them down towards the break-even point, but as long as we are not breaking down, by the way, my entry price is $19,200, $53,000 in a profit, Ethereum $40,000 in a profit. I am staying right now still very, very silent on my trades. But what you can see here, and this is the 4-hourly candles for Bitcoin, is that the next break is going to happen until, let me show you, tomorrow, 8 p.m., 12 a.m. UK time, UTC, until tomorrow midnight, this one will break. So let's say maximum 24 hours, but most likely it will break before. And now, of course, the question is, are we going to break towards the downside? How am I going to handle this trading wise? Or are we going to break towards the upside? I can tell you one thing, the next break will be detrimental for the macro movements for Bitcoin. What we can see is that if this break is going to happen towards the downside, full transparency, I had to redraw the support, as I already mentioned before, because, well, sometimes you just have to give it a little bit of time. You can see that this break could catapult or wick us below the $19,000 area, below my entry price actually for Bitcoin. So I have to get very vigilant here on my trades. If you are in a trade, be careful. The break towards the downside is at least statistically more likely, as the trend is leading down into the pattern. It is a symmetrical triangle, not exactly symmetrical, but almost leading down into the pattern. We already had one failed breakout. So definitely, I mean, also, we are below the EMA ribbon. So for sure, big words of caution here. The less likely breakout towards the upside, this breakout towards the upside would be approximately 20,600, 20,700 US dollars for Bitcoin respectively. However, if we break towards the upside, this would result into Bitcoin actually breaking the EMA ribbon for the first time since weeks, of course. And this is why this breakdown, this Bitcoin break, which is going to happen within the next, let's call it next 24 hours, but more likely next 12 to 16 hours. So on Monday, the Monday close is gonna be it. The next movement is gonna determine what is the direction for Bitcoin for the whole next week. This is at least what I am expecting for Bitcoin. That is why I am keeping a very close eye on the Bitcoin charts. I'm keeping a very close eye on my trades here right now. And obviously, if you want to be trading the up and coming breakout or breakdown, in the pinned comment down below, $10,000 for free. Click the link, register, deposit, and this bonus can be yours, but you need to be an experienced trader, that is for sure. Guys, thank you so much for watching. This was a very special one, a very short one, nevertheless a very important one. I am here in my YouTube studio van. I really like to record my videos over here. Going to go for some ice bath and then to the restaurant with the one and only DaVinci J15. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye bye.